Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to pass the maze room with the right door pattern. First, just keep in mind that the maze room has many different patterns and it can be changed in every server, so this route only works if your maze looks like this, with the door starting on the right side. And if you are looking for the maze routes, don't worry, I have already made several maze tutorials before, so make sure to check the links in the descriptions. And now just follow the path that I taken on the screen. Just move carefully and don't rush. Just copy my route step by step, like this. Just follow my step, and then keep going until you find the candle lit path, like this. Turn left and turn right, and then just like this, and then let's go back. Okay, like this, then turn left, and over here just turn right, and then turn right again, turn left, turn right, and then left, and like this you'll get the candle path. Just follow it and then you will get the tweezer room. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.